Hey everybody, guess what? Guess what came in the mail? I know what it is. Do you know what it is? So, do you guys remember on it was right before it was the Tuesday before Black Friday. So it was the Tuesday before Thanksgiving. And I had Pam from Furls was my guest on the show, and right in the middle of the show they dropped their brand new hook. So right in the middle of the show, everybody that was watching quick hurried and got online and ordered this hook. We were so excited because you know the new fancy hooks will sell out very, very fast. And in fact, by the time I got on there, one of the sizes was already sold out. So, oh, a few of our favorite things. Perfect. Oh, and there's a code on here for 15% off my next order. Nice. Nice, nice. And the one thing I love about the Furls is they're always packed really well. And there's more packing in the bottom. So I was able to get two. And, oh, sorry. I was able to get two. I ordered two of the hooks. And they came out with a brand new size. And the brand new size is a bigger one. Bigger than what they normally would have. So it's all wrapped up in this. They wrap these really well. Really, really well. Okay, let's see. What do we got here? We have two hooks. And based on the weight, I think this is the bigger one. They do not say on the container which hook you have. So I end up writing on the side of the box because I keep them in these boxes. I have a special container for my Furls hooks. I keep them in the box. And I just write which hook it is on the box. So let's look at the other one first. So excited, so excited. So this is the brand new hook in their Zodiac series. See, it says, "Let me out." So pretty. If I can get the box open. Okay. Oh, look at that. Beautifulness. Oh, can you see those sparkles in there? So this is the Sagittarius hook, and it says, can you see that on there? Where is the thing? It says, "Nice to meet you." This is a Sagittarius hook, and it's the newest in their Zodiac line. If I can get this thing off. Oh, it's fighting with me. There we go. Okay. Oh my gosh. So it is purple and gold with sparkly sparkles inside. Oh, look at those sparkly sparkles. And this has a lot of it up in the neck. Look at all those sparkles. Glitter, sparkly glitter. That's the word, up in the neck. This is the G. This is the G 4.0 Furls. So pretty. I love that. Love, love, love that. And then I got one of the, I think this is the new size. I think this is the new size. Same thing. Ooh. It's really big. Wow. It's really, really big. Okay. So check this out. Look at that. It doesn't get any smaller at the end. That's a big hook. This is a Q. Oh, that's nice because so many of your blankets, your big blankets that use the fat yarn, it needs a Q. I actually thought this was a bigger one. Maybe it was a bigger one than this that was gone already. Look at all the sparkles in there. This doesn't have as many sparkles in the neck, but then it doesn't have as much of a neck. That is so beautiful. So check this out. See, I already put it back away in its little box. I just automatically do that. So this is the G, and this is the Q. Look at the difference in those things. Oh my goodness. But they're both just beautiful. These are going to be so much fun to use. I don't think I need to do that. You guys can see these. Look at all that beautiful sparkleness. So, so pretty. Love it. I love these. I love it. This is really funny. Because even the, maybe not. I was going to say even the thickness is the same as these, but it isn't. It is. It's the same. I thought maybe it was wider, but it just feels wider because, you know, this goes down into a skinny neck and this does not. So this is going to be super nice to use when I go to make, I've got a lot of blankets in my list. So I think this is going to be very useful. So there's my brand new furls to add to my furls collection. Super excited. Did you guys get any of them? Are you going to get any of them? I know some of they sell out so very fast. And these were on 25% off. We got these for 25% off the day they were released. We had a coupon code. So go back and look at that video. It was a lot of fun. That the interview that we did with Pam was really a great interview, and there was a lot of information on there about upcoming items, things that are going to be going on over the next year or two even. And she gave us some sneak previews. In fact, if I'm not mistaken, she gave us a sneak preview of a sweater, a real pretty sweater that had a design on one side, and I think that showed up in the Crochet Foundry magazine for December. Must be the December, whatever the new one was that just came out. Yeah, I think it was December. So take a look. I will link the interview. I'll link the interview down below in the description. So if you didn't get a chance to see it, it's not an overly long one. I know some of my interviews get to be a little long, but it was a really, really good interview. We had a wonderful time. Anyway, thanks so much for popping in. See y'all later. Bye-bye.